In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the exhaust variable valve intake solenoid on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Pull straight back for the lock for the connector. Push down on the black tab and remove the connector from the solenoid. I'm going to pull this harness up and out and move it to the side. Using a E8 socket, we're going to remove the bolt for the VVT sensor. It's located on the right side of it. Remove the bolt. Before removing the VVT sensor, we're going to put a few rags down to catch any oil that might fall when we take it out. Wiggle around, pull straight out, and remove the VVT solenoid. You can see the oil dripping out. Put some clean engine oil on your finger and run it around the O-ring. This will help installation. Get it lined up, push it straight in. You'll feel it click into place. With the sensor fully seated, we'll install the bolt, get it lined up, and get the bolt started by hand. Snug it down. Torque the bolt to 53 inch-pounds. Clean the area using some brake parts cleaner. Take those rags, wipe it down. We'll pull those rags out. Pull the harness back over, installing it into the valve cover, pushing it to the side. Install the connector onto the sensor, push until you hear a click, close the lock, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.